You know, the philosophy we have here at the Alpha Syndicate is pretty easy. It's basically we are not trying to reinvent the wheel. And with that being said, is that before even computers, even with me, before computers and text messaging and all this stuff that we have today, I was able to fuck hundreds of women. I was able to have orgies. I was able to have threesomes. I was able to fuck married women. I was able to fuck married women and their friends. I was out group sex, the whole nine. I was able to do all of that without the technology that you guys have today, without the NLP, without the pickup lines, without the magic tricks, without the hypnosis. I found ways, and that's why I'm going to show you ways that you can pick up a woman very easily without feeling like a fool. You see, guys, the beauty about our site is that there are not too many men out there. And if you choose to take on the mission and choose to be a part of our site, then you have started to separate yourself from the 90% of losers out there who are not getting the ass. That's the beauty about what we teach. But one thing you're realizing is that, you know what? Before electricity, before cars, before planes, trains and buses and ships, before buildings, men found ways to get women. But there was a certain kind of man that got the woman. If you take the time right now and to watch what I always love to watch is the Discovery Channel, if you take the time to watch that, you will see that only the alpha males get the pussy. It's only the alpha males who fuck. And that's why it's so important that you unplug yourself from the bullshit that you see today, because what you see right now is nothing but bullshit. It's just little gimmicks and tricks to not only take your money, but to get you lost in your own translation of who it means to be, what it means to be a man. And that's what we're here to show you. I want you to succeed. I want you out there fucking. I want you out there having a good time. I want you out there enjoying yourself without you having to sit around and worry about what's going to happen next. Who am I going to get next? And once you realize that, you know what? You're not trying to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is fine the way it is. And once you can do that and unplug yourself from all the bullshit that you hear out there, all the gimmicks and tricks and all those things that you see out there, once you are able to unplug yourself from that, then you are on your way to becoming the man that you were supposed to be. Now, on the next page that we're about to go to, the next page, we're going to talk about the different types. What is it that is going to make you the perfect man? We're going to talk about that the next page.